Hello guys and welcome to episode 5. We start right where we left off. Does that mean it needs food? I don't know. Yeah, unfortunately I don't know how to turn F3B off. Oh, there we go. We did it. Anyway, we have to get villagers into here. And I have no idea how to do that. Because I've tried very hard. And it hasn't worked. By very hard, I mean since last episode. And I would like these villagers to go into there. So then eventually they could just go inside and we wouldn't really have a big issue. But that's not really going on. It's taking much more hard work to do this. And that's not, I don't really like doing hard work. I just want it to work, so then I can make my village a vending machine. And this village is populated again. Cause it doesn't really have that much villages in it. I kind of feel alone. See, but baby villagers will be able to escape. Like, all I need is 2 villagers just to go in. Just 2. No more, no less. Just 2 to go in. And that's it. That's it. Just 2. Just 2. I have no idea where this just 2 is. You could be one of them. I stole your bed. Ha ha ha. Or we could just trap the villagers in here. I think I'll just trap the villagers in one place, so I'm not really going to go to bed. Okay, I am going to go to bed. Because this is hardcore right here. Oh my god, I hit my cat so much. I feel like one more hit and it's dead, yeah. We have to find a bed. ASMR. Sir, get out. Oh yeah, in hardcore mode, they could break your bed. They could break the door. They're breaking it. Quickly, get home. Get home right now. This is why I don't want to be awake during daytime. This is why I want to be in bed by nighttime. So I don't have to deal with these deadly mobs. This is so scary. Oh, that was so scary. Please, these mobs. Oh, but that golden zombie is still gonna be there. Fortunately. We didn't need that golden zombie here. Yeah, you. Could you explode? Is this guy here? I want you to explode with the zombie. So you can help me kill the zombie. Thanks. No zombie head? Nah. Oh, but there's a creeper right behind me. Did not explode. Watch your words. You're lucky. Yeah, this could just be the vending machine. Yeah, this could be the villager vending machine. Not there. Oh, why am I making it so hard for you guys? For these villagers. No one's in here yet. Can I trade with you now? No. No, I'll let you go. Be free. This could be the vending machine. You just need to click the bell. Everyone go home. Home. in that house. Are you guys in there? Everyone in that house. No, I said in that house. Doesn't have to be there. Are you in this house? Good. Listen, I need everyone to go in one house. So if I block the doors of every house, they wouldn't get in, would they? They'd be stuck. So then, no one would get in any house. And I could just roam the streets of the earth. But eventually, they'll all have to go in that house. And then I could just trap them. As soon as they do. Or they could just go in that house, whichever one, I don't mind. No. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Right now, will you guys really just go in that one house? Because it's like the only one there is. That house right there. Oh, whoops. None of you guys are going in that house. Has anyone in that house? One player. Or even two. A player? No? Are you gonna go in there? I want you to go. We'll do this later on. I know. For some reason, always two villagers chat. Like over there. See? Just chop those two in. Okay, I can't. I had to break your crops. Lol, 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 lol. Sorry. I just need you guys to go in one simple place. If I broke this, would all the farmers go into that composting area? Yes, they would. Look, I'm holding this. Oh? This is exactly what I mean. Can you come with me, please? I know that the villagers don't move when they're doing that, so this is perfect. Oh, you just moved. Unfortunately. 16 is not enough. More, okay. Chicken nugget, okay. Why is it so hard to do something? Yeah. Bro. Why is it so hard to... Don't mind me. Just doing something. Do you guys want to chat? Do you want to chat in there? Yes! I did it. 2 villages in one place. Good news. Thing is, you guys feed off of bread. But whatever, we made a super ugly vending machine, but I will build around it soon. Maybe in the next episode or something. You know what, I'll build around it right now. We have to make it more nicer, more majestic feelings for you guys. So I'm going to copy the exact same house design. Not really, but only little ones can escape. By little ones, I mean little ones. Though anyway, make this a bit bigger, give them some more room. This is the worst place to make a villager vending machine. It's a place, so I hope you guys are grateful. Oh, I just realized that was a very bad idea. Very, very bad idea. I need something quick. Something that mines things very, 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 very quick. Like this. Da-na-na-na. So, these villagers don't escape. At 0.2 seconds. Move. Move. No, 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 no. They escaped. This thing only takes 60 hits. It's gonna go very soon. So annoying. At least you could block off more houses. So no one's escaping today. Those other rules. We could just trap them in the church. You have plenty of space there. So much fuel. How did I trap that one villager? Oh. We just need more character in our village. Like that. For half the time I thought none of you guys had noses. Villagers without that nose, they aren't villagers. They're hobos. I know. If there are 2 beds in one house, wouldn't they all go to that one house? Or 2 villagers. They'd all go to that one house, wouldn't they? Wouldn't they? I can make some easy contraption with this. Hello, bell right there. 2 people go to that house, please. It's been perfectly untouched. I said it's been perfectly untouched. There. Composters. For people of a village. You look like you could do some good things in there. Why don't you go in? Okay, I give up. This is the end of this video. It's not this, guys. We have to trap them in. We have to trap them. Right now. I think one just got out. No. Yeah, one did just get out. The amount of times I tried to trap you guys in. What are you doing? Made the most ugliest contraption ever. 26 paper for. Why is all of this more expensive now? Whatever. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.